Suspension travel is more, the Xpulse travels is much more than what an Impulse has. It's a 2022 CRF 450
Okay.
with LED DRLs and all.
Original?
And they are unbreakable. So basically when you fall, they fold in both the directions and it doesn't, no damage to it. Anodized aluminum levers. Yeah. The carburetor, this is a 30 mm pumper carburetor.
This is the Apache 160 Impulse by
RTR.
the way, people. Oh damn, the meter. Open actually. Welcome back to my channel. This is an impromptu video. We have Vicky over here with his Hero Impulse. Vicky, thank you for coming on my channel.
Yeah, hi.
There's a little space constraint over here, as you can see. So Vicky, why don't you tell me what have you done on this Impulse?
This is a 2012 Impulse. I had bought it brand new.
Okay.
And before purchasing only I had some plans with it and I started the work. The first modification I did was a rear disc brake because the brakes were actually not that great in the stock Impulse, as everyone knows.
Okay.
And after this,
Wait. This is a double piston caliber. Usually
Yeah.
this is
a front brake caliber.
Exactly. It's
Yeah.
a front brake caliber, and I am assuming this is Apache disc brake.
No, that is an N-Torque
And
disc brake. Earlier I had used the first edition Unicorn disc brake,
Okay.
and now that this is available, so I remodded it to the N-Torque disc brake because the first edition Unicorn discs are not available after they
Okay.
wear out.
So it's effective.
So it's amazing.
It's amazing, and I really
Yeah.
like this.
Yeah.
Okay, so how much did this alteration cost you?
It's a lot, and it's done over the period of time of all this since 2012. I've been doing step by step,
Okay.
and more than 2.5 lakhs have been gone into the bike till date.
I can understand.
Yeah, these are all aluminium rims. Okay.
Okay.
And custom
These rims cost 10,000
per rim.
per rim, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, and don't they like bend?
They do, but they give you a better performance.
Okay.
And usually the steel rims also bend. So
Not that much. I mean.
no, they do, but on that kind of an impact, any rim will bend.
Okay.
This would bend a little easier,
Okay.
but not day and night difference. Like
Okay.
marginally weaker, but they give you better performance. So we
Okay.
are looking for good performance here.
These are 19-inch.
These are 2118.
Or 2118.
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. Apache disc brakes again?
No, the front entire setup is of Xpulse
Okay.
with
Oh,
the hub
Xpulse.
Xpulse, complete Xpulse.
Okay.
Front suspension, the T, the disc, hub, everything is Xpulse.
Okay. And the rear suspension?
The rear suspension, the swing arm has been altered. I have lengthened the swing arm
Okay.
to change the wheelbase of my vehicle because of the height increase.
Okay.
I wanted better stability and all.
So the rear suspension is also of the Impulse or
The rear suspension is Xpulse with an extended swing arm of Impulse.
Oh. So the issue that my bike is facing over there, because
The wheelbase has gone short and the
decreased.
geometry of the
Yes.
vehicle, the ergonomics have changed.
Yes, exactly.
So you will be hampering the performance and handling of the
yeah,
vehicle.
it does wobble above
Yeah.
110.
I was facing the same issues. Because of that, this was the last thing that I did was suspension mods
Okay.
to get the bike on track with the handling parameters.
Okay, so how much did it cost you for the front suspension setup from Hero?
I can't give you a breakup like that, but it's just a stock Xpulse setup, not
Fine.
the rally kit.
Okay.
Because the rally kit will again increase the height up to 3 inches more.
No, the rally kit makes it just too high.
Too
because
high
anyways the
and too
ground
stiff for
clearance-
this because this bike is very lightweight.
Exactly.
So this one is good for the Impulse, the stock
Okay.
one.
Perfect. And I can see the Honda CRF body kit over here.
Yeah, this is the CRF body kit. And now my wheelbase and all the geometry of the vehicle, including the height and parameters, are exactly of the CRF 230F.
Oh, nice.
So it's based on the CRF.
So is this like a 7-liter fuel tank or more?
No, this is a 12-liter fuel tank.
12 liter.
Yeah.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah. It's not that conventional Chinese kit. It's a proper CRF kit.
Okay. So I'm assuming it's expensive.
Yeah. Again, all imported. The front fairing, this fairing that you see, is a 2022 CRF 450
Okay.
with LED DRLs and all.
Original?
I'm not sure.
Achha.
Ordered it, but it doesn't look
Okay.
original to me.
Okay, this is
This is of Husky.
Husky. Okay. Now comes your engine.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm assuming this is the man. Oh, huh. Javed Bhai has actually done this bike, right? Javed ji?
This is Javed Bhai, and this is his workshop.
This is a workshop.
Yeah.
yes.
1 2 3 4 5
This is the Apache 160 Impulse by the
RTR.
way, people. Oh damn, the meter. Gautam actually showed me this meter, man. It looks really good. And is it functional? The RPM meter, everything.
Yeah, everything is functional.
Can be
बैटरी
started?
चार्जर का
Currently, it's not in start condition.
Achha.
Fuel is not there. I think some work is going on.
Okay, just this panel, how much would it cost?
This panel would cost around about 5 to 6,000 rupees.
Oh, it's worth every penny, man.
Yeah.
It's worth every penny. Okay.
But installation is a big headache.
So we have Javed Bhai.
Javed Bhai is there. He has done all the modifications that you see on the bike.
Okay.
All the labor work is done by him.
और जावेद जी ये बाइक ऐसा बनाने के लिए कितना टाइम लगता है अप्रोक्सीमेटली?
ये बनाने के लिए पहले तो सामान पूरा अवेलेबल रहना चाहिए सामान रहेगा
करेंगे।
हाँ
हाँ
इसमें कोई एक्सपेक्टेशन नहीं कर सकते कि कितना टाइम जाएगा
हाँ
सामान के ऊपर डिपेंड है पूरा तो ये बनाने में कम से कम 6-8 महीना तो चाहिए क्योंकि चेसी वर्क है पेंटिंग का है फिर कैंची का है स्विंगम का है शॉकअप बनाने का है सारी चीज़ें फिटिंग के लिए कुछ ना कुछ वाटर करना ही पड़ता है डायरेक्ट नहीं होता फिर
तो जावेद जी स्विंग आर्म आपने किया राइट जो बढ़ाया
हाँ
या ये ऑर्डर पीस था?
नहीं ये
custom made है?
कस्टम मेड है
Multiple people involved.
हाँ
हाँ there has to be multiple people.
So there are multiple people like turners and other fabricators. So each and every component has been fabricated outside, and Javed Bhai has done the installation works.
Okay.
All the installation and setup work is done by Javed Bhai, and every setup is done by someone else. Like the rear disc brake has been done from some other person. The swing arm modification has been done through another person. Exhaust is complete done, custom built exhaust front to end, stainless steel.
I can see
Yeah,
the
with a
finish
power bomb.
line. Can see that. And this engine, it's the normal carburetor engine.
Yeah, this is the Hero Honda Charisma Gen 1.
Hero Honda.
Yeah.
Okay. You nicely buffered it out.
Yeah, all the namings have been erased.
Okay.
And this was a donor engine. Internals are completely changed again. So
Yeah.
it's a proper 250 right now. It got bigger pistons, high compression pistons. It got racing cams.
Okay.
My valves are different. My port angles have been changed. Timing has changed.
So-
The clutch. It's running a KTM clutch.
Damn.
The connecting
KTM
rods have been changed.
KTM clutch in the sense the KTM 390 जो यहाँ पे है या imported KTM clutch?
No, the 390.
The 390.
Yeah, all the parts. Once this is done, na, I don't have to run around for parts for maintenance.
Okay.
All locally sourced from different bikes
Okay.
to improve the performance.
Obviously, you have a Piper Cross or K&N over here.
Yeah, this is a foam filter
Huh.
inside.
So Piper Cross.
It's a Piper
Yes, sir.
Cross
Huh.
with a mud and water repellent mesh.
Okay.
So when you ride hard in rainy season, usually the pod filters they face an issue that the water enters the carburetor.
So this mesh, where did you get it from?
All imported.
Okay. So you know what I have done? I have a Piper Cross air intake over here.
Okay.
So Indian Jugaad is the Apache 150 ka air filter actually just fits on the Piper Cross.
Oh.
So I have done that and it costs just 150 rupees.
Okay.
Coincidentally. So it's actually Jugaad and it's readily available.
Okay.
Okay, I like your exhaust. Is this an original or a...
No, it's a first copy Akrapovic,
Okay.
not original. Originals would cost you more than 40 grand.
No, if you spend 2.5 lakhs, I wouldn't be surprised that you've spent even for a...
Yeah, but that
original.
was not necessary. I
That's
think
not
this does the job.
Okay.
for this kind of bike.
Can this be used as a everyday bike?
No,
No.
no. It is just for my dirt purpose. We put it in, we trailer it to the tracks
Okay.
and we use it.
Okay.
So that's why you can see there is no number plate, nothing. I have
No,
removed everything
You
now.
wanted to make it look dirt specific, but I'm saying if I want to use it on a daily basis, can this engine be used on a daily basis in traffic?
Yes, you can. The
Okay,
engine
that
is
way-
capable.
Okay.
You can ride it slowly also, no issues.
Okay, that way I'm talking in terms of
Yeah.
reliability.
But the modification that has been done is basically not allowed in India.
Unfortunately, yes.
So it is no more a street legal bike. It is only for track use.
I understand. Okay, thank you for coming on my channel. We'll conclude this video in part 2 once this bike is completed, and hopefully we can go for a nice ride together.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Thank you.
Javed ji, thank you. What else have you done over here?
This is an ASV master cylinder with levers, proper dirt bike levers, and they are unbreakable. So basically, when you fall,
Okay.
they fold in both the directions, and it doesn't, no damage to it. Anodized aluminum levers,
Nice. You get this? I mean,
all
on
imported.
Amazon or
No,
imported?
no, imports, complete import. Sourcing the parts have taken a long time. This is a short XC,
I can see that.
yeah, and this is a Renthal handlebar, aluminum handlebar, proper
Okay.
dirt bike handlebar,
Made in UK.
made in
I
UK.
can see how wide it is.
Yeah, it is quite wide.
Nice, nice. Good. I think this is just like the icing on the cake. This thing right here. And these control panels, where have
Yeah,
you
these
got?
are also all imported.
all imported.
Yeah, but these are I think Chinese. I'll be changing them soon. For
Acha.
temporary basis, they have been installed.
Okay, perfect. So you were talking about the carburetor.
Yeah, the carburetor. This is a 30 mm pumper carburetor.
Okay.
Yeah, you can see.
Could you tell us what makes this special?
This is a racing carburetor. It's got a pump inside. Whenever we crank the throttle, see, it's got two cables you can see here. One is this and one is this. Usually the carburetors I have one cable only.
Okay.
So this cable is for the slide and this is for the pump. It activates a pump which sprays petrol directly into the engine. Whenever we need quick acceleration, as I give the throttle, it squirts a stream of petrol directly into the engine and you get that boost. So that's about the fuel economy, don't ask.
No one cares about that. This thing.
This is a steel braided brake hose
Okay.
for better feedback and control of brakes and
It
safer
just feels
also.
so much better.
Yeah.
So much better than my Impulse. Okay, the chain sprocket.
The chain sprocket again is custom built, completely done up by me, and it's a brass chain, but I'm sorry, after the ride it's a little dirty condition. We have had a test drive,
Okay.
so all that mud and muck is still there.
Yeah.
And even the stand, because of the height, we have got it
yeah.
made completely like the CRF.
Okay.
Okay, and it
Stand
folds
also.
also completely up and inside.
Oh, nice. I guess this is all R&D.
All R&D of so many years and everything. I've got a aluminium gear shift lever that also is
Okay.
foldable. When you fall,
Okay.
it folds.
Okay. The bike is ready to fall in short.
Ready to fall. It has had multiple falls also. Everything folds, so nothing breaks in this.
Okay.
And we have done bash plate of Euro 4 X Pulse.
Okay.
With
this
some
is
mods.
2005, right? 2005 or so, or 5000.
I think this is roughly around about 2000 rupees.
अच्छा वो राज
For the-
ऑटोज में मिल जाता है.
But Euro 4 is a little hard to find nowadays.
Okay. Great, yeah. And I think we've kind of, this is the third time I'm starting the camera again because there's just so many things that has gone into the bike. Have we missed out on anything? Like, this is custom made, obviously.
This is with the kit, the
with
complete
the
body kit. Yeah.
Okay, I have a question.
Yeah.
Now, you just mentioned you're going to change the tank and you're going to make a steel tank,
Aluminium tank. Yeah.
You're going to spend approximately 15,000.
Approximately.
And this question has come in my head also because on my Impulse also, I've just spent so much
Okay.
that if you do plus, I'm sure you can get 2 X Pulses.
Correct.
So, if you could go back in time, would you still spend so much, or you just buy the Xpulse 4V with a rally kit?
No,
You'd still.
this
go
is a proper off-roader, the Impulse. Xpulse is more of a adventure tourer sort of a dual
not a
purpose.
tourer, man. Xpulse
It's
also
like
doesn't
it's
go
like
for
it's like
115.
it's like the middle you can say the middle section between the dual sport and a tourer, a beginning tourer and a mild dual sport. Yeah, it's a bit basically heavier and all that, and this was a proper dual sport.
This was a bike that India was not ready for, unfortunately. The
Correct,
Impulse.
because they don't promote that kind of sport here still today. Motorsports, India is really, I'm sorry to say, but we are still behind.
We're behind
The
on every
government
aspect.
doesn't support anything in terms of motorsports. They have simply banned everything.
Yeah, it's a blanket rule. Unless you're rich, you have your own qualis where you can place them.
Place the thing or else hire a tempo and
Hire a
unlike
tempo.
what we do.
It's a rich man's sport.
Correct.
A person who has talent has no space in India, unfortunately.
Correct.
It's a rich man's sport. I get that. I mean, I'd gone to India Bike Week also.
Okay.
There's so much talent in terms of modified bikes.
Correct.
But India Bike Week is one of the most illegal activity because it's promoting illegal stuff like modification,
Modifications.
which according to me should be promoted.
Promoted
but-
and it should be legalized throughout the world. Modification of cars and bikes is all legal everywhere. You can have a procedure for it.
but
Follow the RTO laws or get approvals done or get the changes registered in your RC and all that. But here the government doesn't support at all.
Not only that,
That
they're
is sad.
promoting employment as well, right?
Correct.
Acha,
This is the second bike with the Xpulse setup that is coming up.
Oh, nice. Oh, nice. Is this your bike? No.
No,
यार Xpulse setup लगाने में how expensive is it?
ये 12-15 हज़ार रुपये जाता है सर
नया खरीदने और लगाने
लगाने में। हाँ
तो अगर मुझे मेरा Impulse पे Xpulse का सेटअप लगाना है तो आप लगा सकते हो।
हाँ लगेगा ना, इसमें लगाए इसमें भी लगाए, वही सेम है सेटअप।
अच्छा।
ये पूरा सेटअप अभी कंप्लीट हुआ नहीं है, लेकिन इसमें ऐसा व्हील सब फिट करना पड़ता है
अच्छा।
एक्सपल्स का। मैगविल व्हील ड्रम पूरा कंप्लीट आएगा उसमें।
अच्छा, 15,000 में ये पूरा सेटअप आएगा।
सेटअप आ जाएगा, हाँ पूरा पूरा। टी आएगा, फॉग आएगा, फिर ड्रम आएगा, रिम आएगा, डिस्प्लेड आएगा, सब आ जाएगा 15,000 रुपये में।
नाइस यार, खाली फोकट मैंने खर्चा किया यार मेरे Impulse पे फिर। That's really good यार। 15,000 I think it's worth it because the thickness is also considerably more, right?
thickness
Huh.
is more. The fork suspension travel is more. You know, the Xpulse travels is much more than what an Impulse has. Plus the T goes wider. So if you want this setup of 2118, you need that T wide. It's too narrow for that 21-inch wheel.
Okay. Oh, that's
So the
nice.
fork flexes a lot while turning and cornering in
No,
the
I'm
dirt and
facing
all.
that issue. The
Yeah,
flex of the fork is a
Correct.
massive issue. Okay.
this becomes much stronger and stabler.
Perfect. Okay.
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 Yeah.
Again, thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you for coming on the channel.